My name is Vishal Sharma, and I have over 25 years of experience in teaching, research, and consultancy. I studied in India and then subsequently moved to France for my higher studies. From there, I worked on 2 projects at Norway, and subsequently I moved to South Africa, where I worked with the Wits University, and from that Wits University I moved to Australia, and I'm with EIT now. Now, coming to my role at EIT, I work as senior lecturer and DEng coordinator. Now, DEng program is a doctorate of engineering program. This is a unique program that we have here. We have more than 40 students currently enrolled in this program. These 40 students, they come from across the globe. So they are not only from Australia, but every part of the world they work with. Basically, I belong to mechanical engineering, but I have a wide experience and my interests are electronics, computer, basically it's a mechatronics thing. So which is a combination of mechanical, electronics and IT. Okay, so EIT, since I have experience in different universities, I have worked with different universities, world-class universities. So what I feel is the course content which is delivered here is at par with those universities. On top of it, here at EIT, special emphasis is given on practical aspects of the thing. So that's the best part. So in a way, we prepare students, those who are ready to work with industry. So that's the best part, because we focus on practical aspect also. So whenever I go to class, always the first thing I do is I start with application. Just to give you an example, I have been taking here 2 units. First one is CAD/CAM, computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing, and the second one is hydraulics and pneumatics. So you take example of CAD/CAM. I will always start with application. So application means what we can design in that unit. For example, how we design a mouse, how we design some product. So I always start with application and then give opportunity to students to think how this product could be manufactured. This way, I involve them in the course, in the unit. So the kind of students that we get here are from different countries, and when they come here in the class, they behave like a single unit, and it enhances. They understand each other very well, despite of their differences, coming from different geographic area, different languages, and things like that. Here they come as a community, and this is the best part which Australia can be proud of. Guys coming from different regions and coming here as a unit, and they are able to contribute to the success of this great nation. The best part of this program is the outcome. The students, they don't have to leave their industry. They are professionals working in industry, and still they can continue with their studies. So that's the best part. That means they work on real industrial problems, and whatever solutions or products they are providing, there is always end user to it, which is not the case when things are done with some university. In university setup, it is more like theoretical research or fundamental research, but here it is applied research. So that's the beauty of this program, Doctorate of Engineering program. This is quite an interesting project which was done by students. The best part for this project was that they implemented the complete solution using microcontrollers, Arduino in this case. So this one is Arduino. So I will be giving you a demo on a product that we use in our regular classes. This one is a 3D printer, and what we can do here on a 3D printer is first we have to create a design, and this is the simple design with which we have created here. That design is created in a software which is called SolidWorks. So you can see the design there. Once the design is done, then we need to transfer that design for printing on this machine. So there are few intermediate steps that we have to follow. And for all our courses, especially the CAD/CAM course, we design the product and then we print it here. This is a very good demo to give for students to learn how we design and how we manufacture things here. So this is just a simple design. We can create any complex design also, which can be printed here. Yeah, so creating products for better comfort of human beings.